Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize sleep mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2 and you want to go ahead and customize it so that different sleep modes activate at different times. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto System Settings, which is located over here. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Sleep Mode and then click on Sleep Mode. Now, once you click on Sleep Mode, there are all different sorts of customization settings that you can enable when it comes to sleep mode. So you can auto sleep after 10 minutes, you can auto sleep after 1 hour when connected to the TV, you can play wake up sound in TV mode. And so go ahead and choose the appropriate settings that you want when you want auto sleep to enable when it comes to your Nintendo Switch 2. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit the sleep mode settings on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.